Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will go over the online orders feature inside the store section of Crony BackOffice. The online orders page is used to view and manage orders coming from connected delivery platforms. To access it, go to the store menu, then click online orders, or you could use the smart search instead. Before using this section, your delivery platform integration must be already configured. If you want to learn how to configure and integrate delivery platforms and how to make your online menu available for ordering, please watch our Pricebook online menu manager video for a better understanding. Once your delivery platforms are connected, orders from services such as Uber Eats, Grubhub, or DoorDash can start appearing inside the online orders section. This allows you to review online orders directly from CronySoft's BackOffice. Now let's look at the different order statuses. First, you may see orders under processing status. This means the order has been received and is currently being worked on. Once the order is prepared and ready, it can move into ready to pick up status. This helps the store team know that the order is ready for pickup by the delivery driver or customer depending on the order type. Next, you may see orders under out for delivery. This status is used when the orders has left the store and is on the way to the customer. You can also review completed orders, and this helps see orders that have been already finished. If an order was cancelled, it can appear under the cancellation section. This is helpful for reviewing orders that did not go through or were cancelled for any reason. You may also have an all orders or total page where you can review all the online orders together instead of checking each status separately. This gives you a complete view of your online order activity in one place. The online order section is basically used for tracking. It helps the owners, managers, and store staff see online orders that are processing, which ones are ready, which ones are out for delivery, and which ones were completed or cancelled. Keep in mind, this section will only show online orders after your delivery platform integrations are set up correctly. If you do not see online orders appearing here, first confirm that your online menu delivery platform integrations are properly configured. And that's it for the online orders feature in CronySoft's BackOffice. In the next video, we'll continue with the next option inside the store module. So I'll see you guys in our next video.